Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator drain tube. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drain tube. The drain tube goes in between the drain trough and the drain pan. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we're going to go around to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're on back, we're going to use our 5/16 nut driver to take off all the screws that hold the access cover on. Once you have all the screws out, you can lift the cover off and set it aside. Now that we have the cover off, we have access to the drain tube. It's kind of in the middle here, right by the evaporator. You want to be careful as you're working back here. You don't want to damage any of the copper lines. We're going to use our wire cutter to carefully cut off the zip tie. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. The drain tube is pressed onto a fitting up here at the top. So we're going to have to kind of push it to the side a little bit and then pull down on it. Once you have it free, you can carefully pull it out. Here's the old drain tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new drain tube in, we're just going to carefully slide it down and a little bit to the side. And then we're going to lift it up into place. If you want, you can get the fitting and the hose connector wet to make it a little bit easier to slide on. Then you can just lift it up into place. And make sure you get it all the way up so it gets a good seal. Once you have it in place, we can put a new zip tie on. Once you have the zip tie tightened down, we can use the wire cutters to cut off the excess. And then we can put the access cover back on. To put the access cover on, you just have to line it up, and then we can use the 5/16 nut driver to put the screws back in. Now that we have the access cover installed, we can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.